In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to efficiently manage your payroll and workers' compensation. This guide will help you access the right sections without any confusion, ensuring your process is seamless. Let's get started by opening QuickBooks. If you're not already familiar with QuickBooks, it's a comprehensive finance tool used by many businesses to handle various accounting tasks. Begin by going to the QuickBooks homepage. This should be your main navigation point where all your accounting needs align. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll want to identify the main menu as it will be your gateway to managing your financial processes. Now, direct your attention to the menu option. Click on it to expand and reveal numerous features that QuickBooks offers. This step is crucial because the menu contains the various functionalities you'll need to navigate through the software effectively. So, go ahead and click on that menu pull-down. This will expand to display a comprehensive list of features offered by QuickBooks, categorized for easy access. With the menu open, look for the Payroll section. Click on Payroll to access the payroll management features. Payroll is a critical component for any business, handling time-consuming activities like calculating employee salaries, managing deductions, and ensuring compliance with tax obligations. Clicking on Payroll gives you access to all these tools in an organized manner. If you're responsible for managing the financials or HR within your company, you'll find this area particularly useful. Now that you're in the Payroll section, it's time to focus on managing workers' compensation. Navigate through the options and click on Workers' Comp. Workers' compensation is essential for protecting your employees and your business. It covers various scenarios where an employee might get injured at work, ensuring medical expenses and wage replacement benefits are handled. By clicking on Workers' Comp, you're taking a proactive approach in monitoring and managing these vital aspects effectively. Remember, throughout this process, it's important to pay attention to the details presented in each section. Whether you're looking at payroll summaries or workers' compensation details, reviewing every piece of information ensures transparency and accuracy in your records. Navigating QuickBooks might seem like a complex task at first, but once you get familiar with these steps, it becomes a straightforward process. Each section is designed to aid you in keeping your business finances precise and up-to-date. Thank you for joining me today in this QuickBooks guide. I hope this walkthrough has shed light on how to effectively navigate